Tonight reservation at the Med Yacht Club. Let's taste everything that this restaurant, this fine restaurant, has to offer. I'm so looking forward. Got a lot of recommendations. Oh, look at this garlic. Carpaccio, delicious. It's got a certain crunchy to it. I think it's from the vegetables, like seaweed. Quite interesting and unusual combination. Ramon Iberico. Not as fatty as usual, but it's very good quality with the salt in the right proportions. Nice. It does, however, feel that the spices are a little bit too thick or not as thin as they should be. Interesting, this manchego platter, the manchego cheese. So it's got like 3 cheeses of very different colors. Let's see if it also different tastes. This first one. Manchego. The orange one. It tastes very similar. I can't notice the difference in taste. And the last one, the regular color, the white. The white is slightly more soft. So actually I appreciate much more this the white one, which is the regular color. But maybe it's my palate that is more used to this one. So we have here the grilled octopus. Soft, grilled, that almost feeling of charcoal grill on the surrounding. Really amazing taste. Really good. No Mediterranean meal is ready without the alumni grilled cheese from the salad. That saltiness, so good. If there's a thing I really love, it's fish soup. With all this add-ons, the mayo, the cream, the croutons, and the cheese, it must be delicious. Let's try it then. They called it a fish soup, but honestly, it should be a bisque. Delicious anyway. But when I heard the fish soup, I was expecting the pieces of fish floating somehow, but this is like a puree made with the seafood. So I really like a bisque. It's really good. Fillet with gorgonzola and spinach. I was expecting with the gorgonzola for the taste to be a little bit more sharp, but you really don't feel it. Kind of just is savor in the background. Now my biggest anticipation, the cochinillo. That crunchy of the toasted skin is really something special. I really like the Segovia way of cooking. So nice. Strongly recommend. I hope you enjoyed the taste of all these dishes. If so, do subscribe to the channel. There are plenty more videos about the Explora that you can see in this 17-day journey. Thank you.